Welcome back to our channel. Imagine this. Your website is a glowing village in the vast, dark wilderness of the internet, and each backlink serves as a road leading travelers directly to your gates. In the world of digital marketing, off-page SEO stands out as the map maker, diligently drawing pathways to your site from across the web. Without it, your site remains hidden, undiscovered, one among millions. Effective off-page SEO doesn't just increase traffic, it builds authority, enhances reputation, and fosters valuable connections that can transform your digital presence. This essay delivers a deep dive into the world of off-page SEO. Understanding off-page SEO, a primer. Off-page SEO comprises strategies and activities used to improve the position of a website in the search engine results page, SERPs, that occur outside of the website itself. Unlike on-page SEO, which deals with the optimizable elements within your website like keywords and HTML tags, off-page SEO focuses on increasing the authority of your domain through the act of getting links from other websites, among other tactics. Strategizing off-page SEO means engaging with the broader web community through various forms, be it backlinks, social media mentions, or cross-brand collaborations. It's like weaving a net. The stronger and wider the net, the more fish you're likely to catch. Understanding its components can provide a robust structure to build upon, leveraging the interconnected nature of the internet. By diving deeper into specific off-page SEO strategies, we empower digital marketers to expand their visibility, craft an impeccable reputation online, and ultimately, drive more valuable traffic to their websites. The power of backlinks building digital trust. Backlinks, links from other sites to yours, are invaluable currency in the SEO universe. They signal to search engines that others vouch for your content. Think of each backlink as a vote of confidence to your website's credibility and quality, influencing how high you rank in search engine results. However, not all backlinks are created equal. The quality, relevance, and the contextual nature of the linking site play crucial roles in determining the impact of each backlink. Google and other major search engines prioritize links from high-authority sites that are relevant to your content or industry. This discernment in link building is essential for establishing digital trust and authority. Effective link building strategies ensure that your site not only gains visibility, but also earns the trust it needs to be considered a credible source. As we explore further, we'll uncover ways to earn these golden links that boost your SEO performance. Techniques for earning high-quality backlinks. Garnering high-quality backlinks is neither quick nor easy, but it's a crucial part of successful off-page SEO. It requires meticulous planning, strategic implementation, and ongoing adjustments. Here are 3 effective techniques. Guest blogging. Contribute quality content to reputable sites within your industry. This not only gives you access to their audience, but also earns you valuable backlinks. Broken link building. Identify broken links on external websites, create relevant content that could replace them, and notify the site owner. It offers mutual benefits. They get to fix a poor user experience, and you gain a high-quality backlink. Skyscraper technique. Find content in your niche that has many backlinks, create something better, and then reach out to those linking to the original piece to link to yours instead. Crafting content that stands out and provides real value to readers can significantly boost your chances of earning backlinks naturally. Along with these strategies, effective communication with other webmasters and continuous networking can aid in building a robust backlink portfolio. Social media platforms are more than just spaces for social interactions. They are powerful tools that can significantly amplify your off-page SEO efforts. While social media links themselves do not directly influence rankings, the visibility, engagement, and traffic they generate do play a crucial role in your overall digital marketing strategy. By actively engaging on social platforms, brands can create viral content moments that lead to increased brand recognition and direct traffic back to the website. Furthermore, social media can serve as a platform for building relationships with influencers and other brands, which can result in valuable backlinks and collaborative opportunities. Strategically using social media for off-page SEO involves sharing valuable content, participating in conversations that add to user engagement, and using hashtags wisely to increase the reach of your posts. It's about creating content that resonates with your audience, thereby increasing the likelihood of shares and mentions. Content is the cornerstone of any effective SEO strategy. High-quality, relevant, and engaging content attracts backlinks naturally because other sites want to link to valuable resources. This is where content marketing comes into play as a powerful tool for off-page SEO. By creating comprehensive, authoritative, and informative content, you position your website as a thought leader in your industry. This could be through in-depth blog posts, white papers, infographics, or videos. The key is to create content that provides value, solves problems, or answers questions that your audience may have. Furthermore, content marketing isn't just about creation, but also distribution. Ensuring your content reaches the right audience through the right channels is crucial. This can involve guest posting, social media sharing, and even email marketing. Each piece of content that is shared and linked to enhances your off-page SEO by broadening your digital footprint. Influencer partnerships, connecting for impact. In the digital age, influencers wield considerable power over public perception and can dramatically boost your off-page SEO efforts. Partnering with influencers can help extend your content's reach, enhance your brand's visibility, and even earn high-quality backlinks. When selecting influencers, it's important to consider not just their follower count, but their engagement rate and audience relevance. A well-chosen influencer in your niche can introduce your brand to a targeted audience that is likely already interested in your products or services. The collaboration could range from sponsored posts and shoutouts to elaborate content pieces like videos or case studies. Each shared post by an influencer not only reaches new potential customers, but also signals to search engines that your content is valuable and endorsed by credible sources. Managing and enhancing online reputation. Your online reputation is a significant aspect of off-page SEO. It affects how both search engines and potential customers perceive your brand. Actively managing your reputation involves monitoring mentions, addressing negative reviews constructively, and encouraging satisfied customers to share their positive experiences. Tools like Google Alerts, Mention, or Brand24 can help track where and how your brand is mentioned across the web. Responding promptly and professionally to both positive and negative mentions can significantly influence public perception. Moreover, cultivating a collection of positive reviews and testimonials on various platforms not only enhances your credibility, but also encourages more organic backlinks and improves your search engine rankings. Measuring off-page, SEO success, tools and metrics. To effectively manage and tweak your off-page SEO strategies, you need to measure their success. This involves tracking backlinks, monitoring your site's rank for targeted keywords, and analyzing traffic sources. Tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Majestic provide comprehensive insights into your backlink profile, helping you understand the quality and quantity of links pointing to your site. Google Analytics is invaluable for tracking referral traffic and assessing how these visitors interact with your site. Key metrics to focus on include the number of backlinks, the quality of backlinks, referral traffic levels, and changes in search engine rankings for your targeted keywords. By regularly assessing these metrics, you can identify what's working, make informed decisions, and refine your strategies for better results. Through mastering these off-page SEO essentials, you can significantly enhance your website's visibility, authority, and traffic, turning the digital wilderness into a bustling marketplace where your site stands as a beacon, drawing visitors from far and wide. If you're serious about mastering SEO, you won't want to miss Module 4 of our series, where we dive into technical SEO. We cover everything from the nuts and bolts of back-end optimization to strategies that ensure your website meets the top standards for speed and usability. Thanks for sticking with us until the end. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us bring more content like this to you. I'll see you in Module 4.